Myself, Pooja Devi. Today I came up with the wonderful and interesting topic also, that is immersive virtual reality. And this immersive virtual reality is also one of the emerging technology and that going to be rule the world in future. Actually, this is a huge topic and it's impossible to cover entire topic within this 5 to 7 minutes. But I am sure I will give a clear basic picturization about it. Okay, let's get into the presentation. Actually, this virtual reality or VR is used to is the computer generated 3D environment and that allows the user to enter and interact with the alternate realities. Here I show the example for you, and from this using this virtual reality, a person can experiences the alternate realities and which is completely generated by the computer. And for experiencing this 3D environment, head-mounted display is used. This HDM that provides the immersive experience to the user and also a motion tracker that presented in this system and that tracks the person's user's position. Okay, what is IVR? Immersive virtual reality is a hypothetical technology and it consists of immersion in an artificial environment where the user feels just as immersed as they usually feel in everyday life. And it provides the immersive environment via the head mounted display or multiple projections. Here you see this is the HDM device and which provides the artificial environment. And as before I said, a motion tracker that is placed inside this HDM device and which tracks the user's positions. From that information, AI that adjusting the environment in this way, that three-dimensional world completely generated by the computer. An immersive environment. Immersive environment is nothing but the three-dimensional alternate reality. And this is the digital environment and which is designed to engage users in an artificially created. This is the example for artificial environment. You can clearly see that at every time that screen representation changes according to the user's positions. And there are several types of immersive environment available. Those are tactical, strategic, and narrative immersive. And the technical basics of IVR. IVR is giving the impression to the user that they have stepped inside the synthetic world. Here, that software technology and hardware technology HDM device, they both interact with each other and provides immersive experience to the user. And here three types of interaction were happened. First one is brain computer interface, and this BCI based system that acquires brain signals and analyzes them and translate them into commands. And the second interaction is gesture recognition, and this gesture recognition is the type of computing user interface that allows computers to capture and interpret human gesture patterns. And the third one is omnidirectional treadmill, which is a mechanical device that allows a person for 360 degrees of movement. Apart from that, that immersive virtual reality that also interact with the nervous system. For achieving this, that IVR that meets some of the requirements. Those are understanding the nervous system and ability to manipulate the CNS system, and it should have capability of processing inputs and outputs. The real-time applications of virtual reality. At first, that IVR in healthcare. Virtual reality that helps to visualizing the psychotic states and also that helps to understanding the patient's condition with similar symptoms. And also this virtual reality that allows patients to be taken through their surgical plan by virtually. Other than that, that virtual reality is also used in medical training, patient treatment, and medical marketing. And after that, IVR in education. This virtual reality in educational institutions can be used to provide a learning that aids to students who have difficulty in the traditional method. And also it used to enhance the methods of learning. And also this virtual reality that explains the theoretical concepts in an understanding manner, which offers scope to conduct experiments which cannot be replicated in real life. So, such as example for that, water displacement, biological experiments, etc. And other than that, VR is also used in military, business, programming languages, construction sites, and etc. Future scope of the virtual reality. As before I said, that virtual reality is one of the emerging technology and with the highest projected potential for growth. And according to the International Data Corporation, worldwide virtual reality annual growth rate that increases from 54% to 90%. If more and more research is being done, certainly in the near future, VR is going to be rule the world. Okay. Now I have now come to the end of my presentation. I hope everybody get clear idea about what is VR and what is IVR. If you want to learn more about this VR, there are so many lectures and tutorials are available. Just to go through it. And I would like to thank you for your time and attention today.